The Boreal Forest, a comprehensive exploration of its area, range, flora, fauna, and ecological significance in Canada and Russia. The Boreal Forest, often referred to as the Taiga, is a vast and critical biome that stretches across the northern regions of both Canada and Russia. This expansive ecosystem is characterized by its unique blend of coniferous trees, cold climates, and a rich diversity of plant and animal species. In this detailed exploration, we will delve into the intricate details of the Boreal Forest, discussing its geographical extent, the wide range of flora and fauna it supports, and its ecological significance in the context of these two countries. The Boreal Forest covers a colossal expanse, encompassing approximately 15% of the Earth's land area. In Canada, it spans across several provinces, including British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, and Quebec. This immense coverage extends to the northern territories of Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut. In Russia, the Boreal Forest dominates vast portions of Siberia, extending from the Ural Mountains in the west to the Pacific Ocean in the east. This expansive biome covers a staggering range of climatic conditions, from the temperate maritime climate of coastal British Columbia to the extreme cold of Siberia. One of the defining features of the Boreal Forest is its dominance by coniferous trees. The forest is characterized by its towering spruces, pines, firs, and larches, adapted to thrive in the harsh conditions of long, cold winters and short, intense growing seasons. These trees are well suited to the climate, with needle-like leaves that reduce moisture loss, and their shape helps shed snow, preventing branches from breaking under the weight. The trees also produce resin, which acts as a natural antifreeze, protecting them from freezing temperatures. In addition to the conifers, the Boreal Forest hosts a variety of plant species adapted to its conditions. Low-growing shrubs, mosses, and lichens carpet the forest floor, while hardy flowering plants like fireweed and Labrador tea add bursts of color during the brief summer months. The Boreal Forest is a haven for a diverse range of animal species, many of which have evolved specialized adaptations to survive in its challenging environment. Iconic mammals such as moose, wolves, lynxes, and bears inhabit these landscapes. The moose, with its impressive size and unique antlers, is the largest member of the deer family and plays a key role in the forest's food web. Wolves are apex predators that regulate prey populations, ensuring a balanced ecosystem. The Boreal Forest is also home to a variety of bird species, including both residents and migratory visitors. Iconic birds like the great gray owl and the bald eagle are well-known inhabitants of this biome. Migratory birds use the Boreal Forest as a vital stopover during their long journeys, relying on its resources to refuel before continuing their migrations. The Boreal Forest holds immense ecological significance due to its role in global carbon storage and climate regulation. Its trees are effective carbon dioxide absorbers, making the forest a significant carbon sink. The dense vegetation and soil of the Boreal Forest store massive amounts of carbon, which helps mitigate the impacts of climate change by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Furthermore, the reflective nature of the snow-covered landscapes influences regional and global climate patterns. The white expanses of the Boreal Forest reflect sunlight, contributing to cooling effects that influence temperature and precipitation patterns. The release of aerosols from the trees also affects cloud formation, which further shapes weather patterns. While the Boreal Forest offers numerous benefits, it faces considerable challenges that threaten its integrity. One of the most significant challenges is deforestation, driven by logging and resource extraction. Clear-cutting and road development disrupt the natural habitat, leading to habitat loss and fragmentation. These activities also release stored carbon back into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Mining and oil extraction also pose threats to the Boreal Forest. These activities can disrupt ecosystems and lead to pollution of water bodies, affecting both terrestrial and aquatic species. Indigenous communities that have lived in harmony with these lands for generations also face challenges as their traditional lifestyles are threatened by these activities. Efforts to conserve the Boreal Forest have gained momentum in recent years. Collaborative initiatives between governments, conservation organizations, indigenous communities, and industry stakeholders have led to significant strides in protecting this vital ecosystem. Sustainable forestry practices, protected areas, and responsible resource extraction are being promoted to ensure that the boreal forest continues to thrive while meeting societal needs. The boreal forest is a remarkable biome that spans across the northern regions of Canada and Russia. Its vast geographical extent, unique flora and fauna, and ecological significance make it an integral part of global ecosystems. The boreal forest's coniferous trees, diverse wildlife, and critical role in carbon storage and climate regulation underscore the importance of preserving and conserving this extraordinary ecosystem. Through collaborative efforts and sustainable practices, we can ensure that the boreal forest remains a resilient and vibrant part of our planet for generations to come. Subscribe to InfoHub and let's continue the journey together.